welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Mahaday Tribunal passes interim order in favour of Goa, orders complete blockage of canal built by Karnataka. AG calls it a roaring success for Goa. Fifth phase of Lok Sabha poll gets moderate turnout, voting held in 12 states. 232 of 543 Lok Sabha constituencies complete polling. CM assures fearless Taligaon while releasing manifesto for Taligaon Panchayat poll. Babush Monserrat's panel assures green and clean Taligaon. Catholic community marks Maundy Thursday as sacred day all over state. Washing of feet before Easter commemorates Christ's Last Supper. And Goa Cricket Association plans 2020 GPL for women. 8 teams to compete in inaugural edition at Mashe. Floodlit final at Poruri on 29th April. Now news in detail. It's a major victory for Goa on Mahaday water diversion issue. Mahaday Water Dispute Tribunal in an interim order has asked Karnataka government to put concrete blocks on their canal which they had built to divert Mahaday water. Tribunal has given time till 31st May to put the concrete blocks on the canal and stop any diversion of water from Mahaday Basin to Malaprabha Basin till further orders.
Mahaday Water Dispute Tribunal held an important hearing on the issue in Delhi. The day turned to be a major blow for Karnataka as tribunal gave interim order asking Karnataka to put concrete blocks on their canal work that they are building to divert Mahaday river water into Malaprabha Basin. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni, giving more details on the matter, said that this interim order is a major victory for the Goans.
Mahaday Tribunal, state of Karnataka, Mahadayचे उदक बाहेर कशेच वचपाक जायना म्हणून तांचेर ऑर्डर दिल्या की कॉन्क्रीट ब्लॉक्स तांणी करून कंप्लीट उदक भायर वचपाचे ब्लॉक करचे. सो म्हादय उदक तांकां भायर काडपाक कशेंच मेळना. लायक सम गोवन्स ऑर बेसिकली द वॉटर रिसोर्सेस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गोवा विल ओकेजनली विजिट
site,
the Kalsa Bandura site, and site of this block dams which have been constructed, concrete dams. Time limit given to the Karnataka to complete this is 31st of May.
Tribunal has also asked for setting up of the committee to overlook the work of Karnataka on construction of concrete blocks. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar here in Goa expressed happiness over the tribunal's interim order. But Parrikar lashed out at the previous Congress government for not objecting to Karnataka's diversion work that they undertook from 2006 to 2012.
It shows how lethargic the Congress government was for 6 years, which almost got our case lost. तांच्यानी कसलेच एक रिटर्न ऑब्जेक्शन ना. आमकां हांगा असेंब्लीन सांगताले प्रत्यक्षात इतलेच न्हय जाल्यार दिगंबर कामतीन 2008 काय 2009 तांकां उदक डायवर्ट करपाक पिवोवपा खातीर म्हणून परमिशनूय दिल्लें, which was revoked by me.
But Congress has countered the allegations of Parrikar government. Spokesperson of Congress Durgadas Kamath says the credit of today's interim order goes to Congress as it was Congress government that formed Mahaday Tribunal.
वीरप्पा मोइलीन त्यांना सेटअप केले ट्रिब्युनलाक आणि आज जेन्ना ट्रिब्युनलान इंटरिम ऑर्डर दिला आम्ही हाजो स्वागत करतात कारण हे जर झाला जाल्यार फक्त काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंटा खातीर काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंटान सेटअप केल्ले.
Goan activists who fought for saving Mahaday River have expressed joy over this interim decision. But they also say that government has to be more vigilant in saving Mahaday River.
आम्ही खरे तर ही अर्धी लढाई जिंकलेली असा आणि सगळी लढाई जिंकतले ही आमकां खात्री असा. पण कर्नाटका गव्हर्नमेंट आपले वेगवेगळे तरेच्यो टेक्निको वापरून टॅक्टिक्स वापरून अशें म्हणन हांव टॅक्टिक्स वापरून हांणी कितें मदीं अडचण हाडत हाजी आमकां कल्पना सुद्दां आसची ना. ताज्या बाबतीन आमी जागृत रावपाची गरज आसा.
आमकां विजय मेळ्ळो आसा त्या विजयाची आमी म्हणजे मिरवणूक किंवा उत्साहान तो साजरो न करता आमी हाचेर चिंतन करून फुडली पावलां जी आसा ही बळिश्ट जातली हाच्या खातीर यत्न करप गरजेचें आसा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
Fifth phase of Lok Sabha polls witnessed a moderate turnout at polling centres on Thursday. Voting was held in 121 constituencies. As of now, 232 of the 543 Lok Sabha constituencies completed polling. Sixth phase of Lok Sabha polls will be held on next Thursday.
Voting of the 12 states on Thursday saw a moderate turnout at polling centres. Voting was held for 121 constituencies. Voting was held in the following states: Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Odisha, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. 232 of the 543 Lok Sabha constituencies have completed polling by now. In the sixth phase, polling will be held at Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal and Pondicherry. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa government has appointed Vasudev Shetty as the Project Director of District Rural Development Agency as Special Officer to carry out legal formalities and coordinate between several statutory authorities in order to resume legal sand extraction in the state. Shetty will hold charge in addition to his own duties with immediate effect and until further orders. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.